What got me interested in the program was simply because I've been involved in other companies, brand name to be specific. Um, and I've always wanted to go into a company where they're innovated in the world. And it's really interesting to see how they change things or how they affect everything around you. And simply because it's challenging just to experience something like this program, balancing lifestyle, work, and school. And it's very rewarding to see how it can affect your life and how it's very intriguing work. Well, at first it was very difficult to balance everything simply because out of high school I had the freedom of choosing what I wanted to do and I was just working. But when I started the program, it was very difficult to go back to school and balance my lifestyle that I was adjusted to. But after a couple months, it was very easy to adjust my time. So it's been great lately.
We can manage work and life really well, and luckily we have all of our classes managed together by Clara, our manager, and it's very easy to manage it because we're only taking 3 classes over our 18-month program. So I think that it's very easy for someone just to come into college or work and manage the two together very well. My father actually worked for Applied Materials. He's been in the industry for 30 years. And so I've always been around it ever since I was a little kid. And I've had like this engineering mindset to me. So I'm looking forward in the future to become an engineer. And so ever since I started at Applied Materials, I actually started as a contractor about 6 months before I started the apprenticeship program. So when I started as a contractor, I saw the semiconductor industry in full, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the technology behind it. I really enjoyed how it's booming, and where it started from like 20 years ago, 30 years ago, and where it is now.
When I first came out of high school, I didn't fully know what I wanted to do, but I've been hearing about the semiconductor field, so I started looking into it, and then I got into Applied Materials. And I started as a contractor originally, and it was all right. I started refurbishing a lot of our machines and stuff, but then as my year and a half went by, my contract started to expire. So I heard about the apprenticeship program, and I wanted to continue my career and not just move on. So I got in contact with those people, and then I left the company for a short period, but then I came back as an apprentice, and then I got the full-time position, and really things have just expanded from there. It's been really good. It's definitely tough, obviously, trying to balance your work life and then school too. You know, it's just lots of long days, but it's really worth it. Like working with the company, like I've gotten to go on work trips and like really just learn so much about the field I'm in and expand my skills in all different types of areas.